Hi everyone, how is going? Today I am going to record a new video about Go High Level conversion tracking. So we will have a Go High Level landing page. Actually this is similar to click funnel. So we will have some funnel on the landing page. Then we will set up Google Tag Manager and we will set up the conversion tracking. And finally we will track a from submission on the landing page, or you can also call it funnel. Okay, so let me start. Okay, I have share screen and you see my tag manager account. This is my tag manager account and I already have some tags here, and this is my Go High Level account and I have the funnel here. Let me go to the side. Okay, then this is the actually funnel. Let me open. Yeah, I have two pages on the funnel, the home page and the thank you page. Okay, and on the home page I have a form here. Okay, then when people submit the form they will go to the thank you page. Okay, now we also have Google Analytics account. This is the Google Analytics, or you can also call it GA4 account. Okay, this is actually old account. I have also used it on the WordPress or on the HubSpot. So let me start. At first we have to set up the Google Tag Manager, this one, on the landing page. Then we have to set up the tracking. Okay, so now we have two pages here. We have to set up the Google Tag Manager both on the page. Okay, so let me copy the tag manager script. So this is the tag manager script. Now let me paste it on the Go High Level. So this is Go High Level funnel, and at first I will add the script on the home, then I will do it on the thank you page. Okay, so to do it we have to click here, then edit page detail. It is loading. Nice. Now we have to set up the tracking code on the page. So to do it we have to go here. You see the tracking code. So tracking code, then paste it, then save. Okay, now we have to publish it. Not publish actually, just we have to save it because we already published. Okay, nice, it is saving. Great, now we can see it. Let me click here. Now we can see it using extension. This is extension, so we have to reload. Oh, no need to reload. Actually we see the tag manager is working here. Great, now we have to set up the tag manager again on the thank you page. Okay, so on the home page it is working. Actually this is the landing page, but we also have a thank you page where people go after submitting the form. So let me go back. Yeah, now we have to open this page and do the same thing. So edit detail. Now it is loading again. Okay, now we have to set up the tag manager here. So tracking code, now just copy. We already have copy maybe, but let me do it again. So yeah, then save the page again. Now let me see it. Okay, now test it using the extension. Great, so the tag manager is working on the thank you page as well as on the home page or landing page. Okay, great, now we can set up the tracking. And if I scroll down, and see the page, we have a form here. Okay, so we will track this form and send the data to Google GA4. So let me go back to the GTM, then test the tracking. Okay, so let me preview. Okay, we need the homepage URL. This is the URL. Then we have to paste here and we have to preview. But before doing it, no need to open this tab. So let me close it. Also this one, let me connect. Okay, nice, it is connected. Now we can test it. So we have to fill up the form. So yeah, phone number. Yes, let me submit. Okay, when I submit, I came on this thank you page. You see the data is coming. So this data comes from the home page. Yes, then this data comes from the thank you page. Yes, yeah, now we can set up this thank you page view as a lead tracking. Okay, so when people come in this page, we will count the user that they have already submitted the form. Okay, so we will send the event to analytic. So let me go back to the analytic again. No, sorry, we have to go to the GTM. So GTM, then we have to create an event for the analytic. So GA4 lead, and this is Go High Level. So Go High Level, yeah, then event. Yes, we already have a variable for the measurement ID. So this is the variable, and we can use generate lead. Now we have to set up a trigger. So let me create a trigger. It will be, you can set up container load. Yes, so container load some window, then page path will be equal, or we can use contain. Let me use the contain. Yeah, contain, this one. See the paste path? Yeah, yes. So let me copy it from here and paste it on the GTM. Yes, right. Yeah, it should work perfectly. So save it now. Yeah, we have the measurement ID, we have the event name. Okay, we already have everything. Now save it. Great. Now we can test it again. So preview again. Nice, it is connected. Now let me test the form again. Okay, let me submit. Yes, the phone number. Yeah, submit. Great, I see Windows load comes, and in here I see the tag is firing. This is the measurement ID. And I can also verify the tag, the event on the debug view. So let me go to the debug view. On debug view, we should see a event called generate lead. Yeah, we got it, generate lead, and this is Apple device, and we got generate lead. Nice, nice. It is working perfectly. Okay, I hope you got all my point. But if you have any question, you can comment me, or if you face problem, you can knock me on WhatsApp. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.